Hello class 6, welcome back to our channel. So class 6 we are doing our history chapter 5, New Kingdoms, Kings and an Early Republic. In the previous video we have covered that how the people became rulers, and one of the very important sacrifice we learned, that is Ashwamedha sacrifice. So in today's video we'll start our new topic, that is Janpads. The Janpads means basically Jan means people and Pads means when you settled your feet somewhere. Like this is the term, this literally means the land where the Jana means people set its foot and settle down. So basically this is one of the place, area, and in which when people settle down, so this particular place is called the Janpads. And the Rajas who performed these big sacrifices were now being recognized as Rajas of Janpads rather than Jans. So again I repeat, Janpads is basically the area which is famous and where people settle down. Now, archaeologists have excavated a number of settlements. बहुत सारे settlements हुए because Janpads is one of the settlement. So let's take some example like Purana Killa in Delhi, Hastinapur near Meerut, and Atrangi Khera near Etah, that is presently in UP. These were the places where the archaeologists found some evidences and they believed that yes, people were lived at that places. Like they found the huts, cattle as well as other animals. They also grew a variety of crops. So not crops were found, but the grains, or we can say the some ashes. So these things were found, and archaeologists excavated all these things in the place where people settled down, like the Purana Killa, Hastinapur, and Atranji Khera. And here you can see one of the picture, पेंटेड ग्रे वेयर. दिस इज वन ऑफ द पिक्चर. बच्चा आप देखेंगे बहुत सारे हमें एविडेंसेस मिले हैं. वैरायटी ऑफ एविडेंसेस थिंग्स वी फाउंड, आर आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट फाउंड, एंड especially the plates and the balls were the common vessels जो उस टाइम पे लोग यूज करते थे. एंड वेरी क्रिएटिव वर्क इज पेंटेड ग्रे वेयर. What does it mean? It means when the design basically आप बनाते थे, like you can see in this picture. So ऐसा imagine किया गया, फिर से guess work लगाया गया कि बहुत ही fine था, touch था और बहुत ही nicely made up of था, as well as these types of utensils definitely used on special occasions, है ना. So special occasions पे use किया जाता होगा. So this is one of the vessel we can say जो हमारे archaeologist को मिला है. And as well as earthen pots मिले हैं, grain colored और special type of painted is called the grey ware. So all these things were found by the archaeologist. Now the second term is Mahajanpads. We learned the Janpads. Janpads is the place where people settle down. But when we talk about the Mahajanpads, means when the Janpads become more important than others. जब जनपद बहुत फेमस हो जाएंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस हो जाएंगे, तो उस टाइम पर वो महाजनपद बन जाएंगे. And here we'll cover in the map, as you can see, because most महाजनपद जो कैपिटल सिटीज बन गई. और वो सिर्फ एरियाज नहीं थे, इवन दे वर फोर्टिफाइड. फोर्टिफाइड मीन्स उस पर क्या बना दिए गए, फोर्ट्स बना दिए गए, किले बना दिए गए, लाइक दिस. सो पूरा 4 साइडेड फोर्टिफाइड कर दिया, ह्यूज वॉल्स बना दिए गए, ब्रिक्स को यूज किया गया, स्टोन्स यूज किए गए. सो दीज वर द इम्पॉर्टेंट महाजनपद्स. हेयर यू कैन सी वन ऑफ कुछ आपके मैप में गिवन है. वेट, yes, now everyone can see the Hastinapur. These were the sites. Yes, very important, Magad, Vaji, Avanti. These were the some examples that we will cover in our map work also. And the forts were made. हमने पढ़ा महाजनपद पे forts भी बना दिए गए. Why these forts were built? So these were built because people were afraid of attacks. कि कोई अटैक ना कर दे दूसरे किंग्स, तो प्रोटेक्शन पर्पस के लिए फोर्ट्स बनाए गए. एंड इवन सम रूलर्स वांटेड टू शो हाउ रिच एंड पावरफुल दे वर. तो जितने बड़े फोर्टिफिकेशन होता था, दे कैन रिलेट कि यस रूलर भी बहुत पावरफुल है. सो टॉल इंप्रेसिव वॉल्स वर मेड अप ऑफ. ऑल्सो इन द सिटी द लैंड and the people living inside the fortified area could be controlled easily by the king. And king को ये भी लगता था कि अगर हम fortified कर देंगे पूरा area तो we can control them easily. So these are the some reasons that why the forts were probably built at that time in the Mahajanpads. So huge walls बनाने के लिए बहुत बड़ी planning करनी पड़ती थी. इतना simple task नहीं है. Lakhs of bricks or stones were used. Enormous labor. ठीक है, बहुत बड़ा काम था. Even resources भी चाहिए थे. Here you can see one of the picture जो कि कौशाम्बी महाजनपद में इस तरह का फोर्टिफिकेशन किया गया. एंड ये आप देखेंगे कि वॉल मेड अप ऑफ ब्रिक, जो कि इलाहाबाद में प्रेजेंट डे अगर हम बात करते हैं वहाँ की ये वॉल है. फोर्टिफिकेशन का एग्जाम्पल देखिए, तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्किंग वर्क था, बहुत रिसोर्सेज लगते थे. द न्यू राजाज जो थे, अब उन्होंने आर्मी भी मेंटेन करनी स्टार्ट कर दी. इन द प्रीवियस चैप्टर वी लर्न नो आर्मी वॉज देयर. कोई आर्मी नहीं होती थी, नो स्पेशल पावर और नो पैलेस एटसेट्रा. बट हियर न्यू आर्मी जो थी वो स्टार्ट हुई. सोल्जर्स को रेगुलर सैलरीज पे रख दिया गया, मेंटेन कर दिया गया पूरे साल के लिए. एंड सम पेमेंट्स, और उनको किस तरह से पेमेंट्स की जाती थी? बाय यूजिंग पंच मार्क्ड कॉइन्स. एंड दिस थिंग वी विल लर्न इन द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर्स कि पंच मार्क्ड कॉइन्स क्या होते हैं. बट इन दिस चैप्टर वी जस्ट लर्न दैट some payments were made by the punch marked coins to the soldiers. Those were appointed by the rajas to maintain the armies. I hope this is clear to everyone. So we'll cover our next topic in the next session now. Thank you so much.